Hello everyone, this is Michael and welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to be taking a look at how to run the numbers on a duplex. So what I'm going to do is figure out where I'm comfortable moving into this duplex. In this example, we were going to do like a live-in flip, and I know I want to live in Kitsap County, Washington. This can be any county, so long as there's duplexes available. If not, then maybe you have to build your own. But let's say that my budget is 500,000. So I see we didn't change the filter. So we're going to change the filter here to a multifamily home. And what we're going to do is hope that it has just 2 units. It's usually pretty simple to do that if you keep the price low. On realtor.com, I don't see a way to filter by units. What you can do is just look at the unit, at the property whenever you take a look at it. So what we've got here, the property details, this is the top unit, blah, 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 and 2 1-bedrooms. So this is a 3 unit, which is fine, but I'm specifically looking for a duplex because a duplex is going to require less money in the bank, less money in my bank when I go and talk to the bank. The bank is usually going to want a little more in reserves if you're getting a 3 or a 4-plex. So I want to keep it as low as possible. And I said my budget was 500,000. So let's max it at 5. And then let's see. This is a 6. This looks like a 2. Property's an excellent spacious thing. Blah, blah, blah. So we're going to assume this is a 2 unit. This looks like a 2 unit to me. Great. So what we need to figure out is, first thing we need to do is figure out what is rent going to be in this area. So this is 6485 Lewis Drive, and we're going to put that into a website called rentalmeter.com. This property has, each unit is about 1,000 square feet, and it looks like they're not going to tell us how many beds and bathrooms there are. So we'll see if we can get it from the pictures. I see a big living room, a kitchen, dining area. Well, it's actually a perfect property. You see it's in good condition, but there's lots of room for improvement, lots of space for value add. So this is actually a great property, but we're going to say this is a bedroom. All right, got the little blue curtains here. And I'm guessing this is the same thing going into the bathroom. Okay. And I think this is another bedroom. So I'm going to say each unit is a 2-bedroom. 2-bedroom, 1 bath. We're going to guess. So in rental meter, we're going to say each is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. And we're going to analyze that address. And what it's going to tell us is for this area, the average rent for a 2-bedroom, 1 bath is about $1,400. If you got pretty high, you could get maybe around $1,600. But I like to take the average, or even lower, just so you can have a safer estimate. Let's figure out what this mortgage is going to cost us. So if we paid at asking, which there's nothing wrong with paying at asking, but I really recommend trying to pay like as little as possible. Let's get out of this gallery, and it's $429,000. We're going to go to mortgagecalculator.org, and we're going to figure out if this is a deal. So $429,000. We're going to put down 20%. My VA clients put down 0%. But the numbers usually don't work if you do that. So we're going to see what happens if you put not 20,000%, if you put 20% down. And interest rate 3.8 is a little high for someone with good credit, but let's see if it works at 3.8. It's a 30-year loan. It's going to start next month. Not too important. Property taxes. You can guess on the property taxes. It totally varies by county, by state. I don't really have a good typical property tax, but the default is $2,400. So 24 is a little bit high, so we'll leave it $2,400. It shouldn't be any higher than that, but if it's lower, then that just means that our numbers work even better. Private mortgage insurance is what you have to pay if you put down less than 20%. So since we're putting down 20%, we're going to say no private mortgage insurance. Home insurance, $1,000 a year. That sounds about right. Maybe 11, depending on the property. The monthly HOA, this is something we own straight up, so there's no monthly HOA. and the loan type is conventional. You can do VA, but I think this is more for data collection purposes. Try to see what kind of loan they can sell you. We're going to buy and calculate that the rent or our mortgage payment should be about $1,800. So now if we had $85,000 and we decided to put it into this property, our total monthly payment would be $1,890, right? So on paper, it doesn't look like that would work out because our average rental is $1,440, but remember this is a 2-unit. So we can multiply this by 2, and that would be more than our mortgage payment, which means, it's a good deal. It'll work. And that's how you run numbers. If you've got any questions, give me a call, leave a message, or drop a comment, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.